Hello and welcome to Healthy Building Services. Separation and ventilation of pollution in healthy buildings. We usually think of air pollution as being outdoors, but the air in your house or office could also be polluted. Sources of indoor pollution may include chemical storage closets that are the source of dangerous vapours, such as VOCs, damaging organ and central nervous system. Copy rooms that are source of production of ozone causing asthma and other respiratory diseases. Bathrooms that are a source of mold and mildew triggering asthma and allergies by releasing spores and toxins. For rooms that contain printers and copiers, cleaning rooms, chemical storage units, or bathrooms follow these standards. Are closed from adjacent spaces with self-closing doors. Reference IWBI23. The Well Building Standard version 1 with January 2017 addenda 17. Direct source ventilation. Part 1. Pollution isolation and exhaust. Air is exhausted so that all air is expelled rather than recirculates. Reference USG BC32. USG BCS's LEED. Updated version 4, October 1, 2014. EQ credit. Enhanced indoor air quality strategies requires no circulation of air in spaces where hazardous gases or chemicals may be present or used, e.g. garages, housekeeping and laundry areas, and copying and printing rooms. Thank you for watching our video. For more information, join us on www.myhealthybuildings.com.